Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is 3-point ellipse tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use 3-point ellipse tool in CorelDraw. So let's see how it's work. First go over here and select the 3-point ellipse tool. First click, second click and drag it like that. Now third click. So in 3 points the circle is created. We can also create like that, how you want, 3D style. You can fill it with color. So we can create 3-point ellipse tool like that. We can rotate it directly, increase the height and decrease how we want, and click. So in that way we can use 3-point ellipse tool in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.